Ify, you know you have always been part of us right from the day we started learning and dancing. You shouldn't stop coming just because some of us laughed at you. Eh? You cannot worry.
I will come.
Are you sure?
I will think about it.
Okay, no problem. That white man, has he called you since he left?
How is that your business?
I'm sure Basa Homo is none of my business, but I keep wondering what Deborah told that white man that made him to abandon you.
Ishinini, what did you say? Ego with the kafu that ha choreka. Kafu ayu black ubu.
Your machine a designer. Everything design. Your trouble a designer. Your wahala designer. Everything design. Mr. Designer. The separate to someone. Deborah, 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 I'm not coming on guys to get your chashire.
Where is Deborah?
Oh no, she traveled.
Where did she travel to?
Okigwe. Ojemana Okigwe. Hey. One is so biojo. She's very wicked. So she later traveled to Okigwe.
Ego Wule. So you know that Deborah traveled and you allow me to come to Deborah's house and be shouting like a dog? Eh? How come she won't appare?
But you didn't want to listen. You were in a hurry to see her.
Onye apare ihe afọ ma bịa no nga na efu ulo onwe m na esusari abamba onye apare Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ nga ahụ inwe lock ta Singapore ni iberibe ukpore
ahi ikukwa no wone ni achọ na me gwa gị na were kwa nne ya nwayo
What designer is responsible for my son's bad behavior? Eh? Is it not possible that Mbakwe has a hand in it? Yes, I would definitely find out how much hand Mbakwe has in it. Eh? Ekene!
Sir?
Come here. Did I not call you Ekene? Huh? Ekene, what exactly is your problem?
Well, I don't have any problem. I'm okay.
You don't have a problem? Okay, I have a problem. And my problem is that I'm looking for an apprentice.
Yes. But there are boys everywhere now. They would love to help you.
Ekene, you're going to be my apprentice from henceforth. We have the advantage of a meeting with many customers in this village and beyond. But first of all, you are going to learn how to sew clothes. So right now, go in there, bring machine. Let me teach you how to sew clothes. Go. I'm sure.
Don't make mistake. You can call them slide. A station time prevents a fall of tears. A little better, my brother, check your ties.
What are you doing?
According to your side.
Huh?
Papa, can you believe that it was that stupid Deborah that went to tell the Oyibo man not to marry me? She went to tell that white man that he should leave me. She told him plenty lies.
The Deborah that I know? No wonder. Because I was wondering why that young man, seeing a beautiful girl like you, all of a sudden, he did a U-turn. Something must be there. Ah, how did you find out?
It was a friend that told me.
So where is that Deborah now?
Just coming from my house, they said she went to Okigwe.
Okigwe. So all these are the enemy, the plans they have against me. Listen, this fight, I'm going to take it upon myself. I'm going to fight this fight to the last drop of my blood.
Papa,
Why would... No. Don't even try it. What of Kwebelam? I asked that boy to take care of, in fact, to bodyguard you. And you say, when I begin to quarrel, all of you will come to his side. Well, come, let's go. It is my work.
Don't worry.
What you carry come this area?
Is there anywhere out of bound for Mwabo? Aha! This man!
How do you know him?
This man? Agu knows whosoever he wants to know. Talk to whosoever he wants to talk to. This man here is Okorocha's brother. Okorocha onye dua. Yeah, one year working. But ever since he came back from overseas, he has not blessed Agu with some.
Rocky, what the hell is this nigga talking about?
This nigga here is saying, as a nigga that you are, you suppose give me small note for my personal expenditures now.
Okay. Yeah. Take this for your personal expenditure, nigga.
That's what I'm talking about. See, you see why it will be well with you. I know your brother very well. He's a very nice man. But the only problem he has is confusion.
Exactly.
Your brother Okorocha is a confused man. Just like you.
What did you just say, nigga?
If you're not confused, you would have come back from Obodo Ibo with Ntuntu Ego. You have been confused all your life.
Are you crazy?
I still haven't found out why.
I just saw her and she was ranting. I thought she was going to slap me.
Oh, you deserve a slap. More than a slap, Seth.
Why now?
I really don't think you know what you have done.
What have I done wrong?
Okay. Is Deborah really your friend?
Yeah, she's my friend even till tomorrow.
Okay. Now I know why Deborah calls you a moron. How can you stab your own friend in the back? Ego! Ha! You are a green snake under green grass.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, get out!
Rosa?
I said get out of my house! Get out, get out! You want me to push you? Get out!
Okay.
Rosa!
How you go designer? I give you my designers. How you go designer? Mr. Designer. What is a designer?
Uncle, I don't think you should do this, so. I mean it, I don't think you should do it.
Rocky, can you imagine the emotional and the physical trauma that I go through every day of my life putting up with this man called my brother? I need to address that issue now. If I don't, then I'm going to call myself a chump.
Uncle, he's still your only brother.
And so?
Uncle, I think what your brother really needs now is love and direction. Not to just lock him up in the police cell. It's not good now.
What the hell are you talking about?
Uncle, I'm trying to tell you that your brother is just confused. Like Agu Eli said.
Wouldn't that have made me confused too?
Uncle, yeah, maybe before, but now, Uncle, I'm not looking at a confused man. I'm looking at a man who has given me everything. I mean everything to live for. Uncle, please, you can still do this for your brother. I'm begging you.
I'm sitting here and I'm looking at you. I'm listening to all the rubbish coming out of your mouth. And I'm wondering what gave you the impetus to talk like this to me.
Uncle, I'm sorry.
Do you know who I am? Can you ever start to imagine what I've been through in my life? For you to come here trying to, pacify me because of my brother.
Uncle, I'm sorry. It's just that I'm...
Shut the fuck up. Like I told you earlier, man. I'm warning you for the last time. Don't you ever try to tell me how to live my life. Or I'm going to cut you with a knife. Oh, man.
How you want to this now? How you want to this? To say I don't come outside now, see you the pass. I don't even know say you don't come this area. Why you dey do like that? Okay. Come on to say, guy, how far, how you dey? No be big deal now. Man.
You know, sir, I forget say my papa sent me message. Where I did enjoy with one of my guys who come back from America.
America. See your life. So you even get friend wey come from America and you no fit control me, I come follow una flex. Why you dey do like this?
Wait, my mind no go that side. My mind, I no reason am. I didn't think of it at all. Because the inflection was too much. See, that guy still did this town. As a matter of fact, he has come to look for a wife to get married to. So he's still very much around. There's still more money in his pocket. You don't understand. Relax. You know, my guy, I don't feel forget you like that.
Well, that's not my problem. My own problem is say anytime when I hang out, you know, try control me, I come follow now. You know, give me call.
Don't worry. You will see blessing today.
Yo, Rocky! Where you at, boy? Shit, man, I got good news for you. Come on over, man. I'm over here by my crib. Yeah. Yo, man, we gonna prove them wrong, brother. I'm telling you, man. I got the best news you ever heard, man. Come on. Come on with it, boy. There you go. Man, what you looking at me like I'm some kind of fool? I'm still the same OG. You said I ain't no good, but I went back to school, and I did pretty good. And I'm back to the hood. But check this out. I'm done with Nollywood. That's the way it goes, brother. Peace. Don't hit on their brother, man. I ain't got no wife. I don't need fight for life for me to stay alive. Later.
Hey! Ekwensu agbaluman you defense. Ekwensu agbaluman you defense. How can I have the most useless man on earth as my brother? Eh? Why should a man get out of his house early in the morning to begin to do, hey, nigga, I got you, Abba? Why? Why?
So your face is like this. I hope you did not fight anybody.
It's none of your business. The one that concerns you is me getting out from this house early in the morning to go and meet Nwakoba's son to take you to the city. Once he realized that you were the young man who chased his wife, he bluntly refused. He refused! Look at you. Look at you.
Well, Papa, one is that I did not know she was married. And then two, I only chased her once.
May thunder fire at your mouth. Look at you. Admiring somebody's wife. Your mates are married. All your mates are married. Why are you not married? Why?
Well, Papa, if he has refused to take me to the city, that's not a problem now. We can always work something out.
You work other what? So I have all the time to work other things for you. You're an idiot. The way you're going, you may end up like this man here. This useless man here. Who came all the way from America empty-handed. Empty-handed. I'll do everything to stop you following his ways. Go in there now. Go and bring my machine. Let's go sewing. Go there.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Papa. I can't join you in this opium business. I mean, it's too...
You must go and get it. Get my machine. I get it?
I'm not going.
Oh, so show me that you are acrobatic. Let's acrobat. Let us acrobat. Let us
acrobat. Do you realize that apart from Papa, you are the only man we have in this house?
Why are you just realizing that now? Eh? Abi, you see me for a dream?
Of course I did. But not in my dreams. Not when I was sleeping. Yesterday, Papa and Mama were having issues. I expected you to say something, Ekwem.
Hey, just hold it down there. Listen, anything that has to do with Papa and Mama, just forget about them. You think those people, the problem they are facing, you think it's normal problem? They are going through strong poverty issues.
How do you mean?
Fine, I will explain. You've been in this house, I've been asking for small money to solve my school issue. 5,000 naira, nobody will give it to me. Papa say, I don't have. Mama say, I don't have. How will I get it? Just let them solve their poverty issue. Let them solve it by themselves and count me out.
What do you need 5,000 naira for?
Why do you want to know, Ezinne? Why do you want to know? Is it your business? Okay, so you want to buy Ekwem the way you buy Mama. You tried to buy Papa Bob, it did not work for you. You cannot buy Ekwem because Ekwem is my partner. You know that?
Wait. Did I just hear you say buy, sell? Who are you buying and who are you selling?
You understand?
Ife, let me ask you. What is your problem? What is eating you up? Talk to me. I want to understand. What is it?
Isn't it? The problem and the thing eating me up is because you are making it look as if you are the first person that want to marry. Are you the first person?
Is that your problem, Ife? Is that?
Isn't it? Let me tell you. Before you started planning about that your Nigerian man that is staying outside, I have planned to marry Oyibo. Onyeshi obodo Oyibo. I have planned it.
Oyibo man. Onyocha. White man. Where is he? Where is your white man?
Where my white man is, it no concern you. At all, it no concern you.
If you let me ask you something. You never hear say, I get am before no be property. My dear? Wake up from your slumber. Face reality, my sister. Your white man is gone and he's gone for
okay, make it from now.
It's okay. When I was sitting down here listening, I was actually thinking that our problem in this house was poverty. But right now, I just realized now that we have more problems. Right now, the major problem is who will get married first. So, as the...
Ekwem, I want to talk to you.
You are even the worst out of everybody.
No, let me...
Hold on, John.
Useless boy.
This talk is none of your business. It's not part of you.
Are you sure you don't want me to go so that you can sort this thing out?
Ekwem, Joe. Ekwem. You know you are my elder brother, and you senior me direct.
I don't understand. Why are you reminding me the things that I know?
Ekwem.
What's happening?
You also know that Papa knows something more than you. Ekwem. You also know that Papa wants anything I want for you to do it because he wants you to answer me and listen to me. You know that one.
All right.
Okay, why are you saying all right, all right?
Because that is all you have to say. I don't even know that me sitting down here, you are reminding me, you are true blood, any other thing.
Ekwem, you don't understand. That is why you're talking like this.
Then what is it now?
Cheleno, let me say reasonable. See, I want to first Ezine to marry. And I want to make you help me. Help me to marry first.
If that's the problem, then we have solved it. Because that is no problem. We have lots of guys in this town. We have the choir master. We have that farmer very close to that.
Ekwem, who told you I want to marry somebody from this village? I cannot even marry anybody from Nigeria, and you're talking. Yes.
So where you want to marry from?
I want to marry somebody from Britain, somebody from Canada. Malay Ndahujego, somebody from Cotonou, Ghana. Hanine, so long, how close to Nigeria? Jema, Mbakwe.
It's okay.
You must look for that person from you.
He's to check the map. So you just measure 5 for me.
You want to go and tell Ify that I, Deborah, I am the one that spot her marriage with that Oyibo called Adolf? Yes, I told her. Because I was wondering you said so. Is that why you slapped me? I'm still talking about this. You still slapped me again. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Are you a mugu? So you made me abandon what I was doing in Okigwe? Why does that call me? To tell me what you can tell a thing like that? Is that why you're hitting me? Yes. The price that is written, you're doing this. Is that... Go. Taja. Go. Taja. Ego. Taja. Unyara. Taja. Open your mouth with peace.
Hey, Okujebi, I can't believe this. You don't bust my head. I can't believe this. So I swear to God, you are too much.
You better believe it, boy.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
You ain't saying nothing yet.
Hey! Uncle JB, who I be? Me, Rocky. Me, small Rocky like me. Want do collabo with Philo Fine, no?
That's so nice.
Hey, God, my head don't bust. My head don't bust.
Yo, check this out. I was up in the studio today. That nigga heard your song and started tripping. And he was like, who's this? I said, that's my boy, man. And he was telling everybody in the studio that you are talented, that he gonna do something with you.
Hey, Jesus.
So, boy, it's your lucky day, man. I'm telling you, it's your lucky day. Boy, it's your lucky day, man. It's your lucky day.
Hey, Uncle JB. DJB. DJB. Collaboration with Philo Fine, no?
That's what it is.
Urudia. Urudia!
Someone used to tell me a long time ago that everybody can never be a star. But a star can come from somewhere by the grace of God and dint of hard work. You could be that star from this part of the world. Think about it, man. Are you ready, boy? Are you ready for big time? Do you know who the fuck is Fino? That nigga's international, man.
I'm ready, just that, Uncle JB, what if things didn't turn out the way we were anticipating?
Why you being negative, man? Look at you feeling melancholy already. You gotta be positive, man. Just believe that it's gonna happen, that you're gonna make it. That's the only way you can think, man. Stop being negative, I'm telling you, man. You can't find out if you don't try. That's the word, man. Give it your best shot, man. It's your best opportunity. Man.
Uncle JB! If you don't speak this grammar way they speak, man, yo, man, shit, man, bullshit, man, fuck, man. Jesus, man. Why won't...
No, sir. There's nothing I can do about it today. Today is Saturday. Yes, sir. No, trust me, I'll personally take care of it. But it must be on Monday. Okay, sir, no problem. I will do exactly as you say. All right. Thank you, sir. Deborah, what is it? What happened to you?
It's Egowure. She ganged up with some girls and they ambushed me.
Why? Why would she do that to a fellow chorister?
She said that I am the one that knows that she's interested in you, but I snatched you away from her.
No. Egowure has never been interested in me.
He's one of the girls there. She said that, in short, I think they used Egowure to get to me.
But you just told me it was an ambush.
It's the same girl. It's the same one of the girls there. In short, that said that I am the one that told Ify. No, that I am the one that made the man that wanted to marry Ify to cancel the planned marriage that he has with Ify, and that made him to run away from the country because he said that I said some terrible things about the man and the marriage.
You don't even know what to believe again. You just said this one and now you're saying another one. This is getting serious. Please, I'm so sorry. Jesus Christ.
She broke this and this and this and...
Sorry, how do I... Okay, come inside, please. Just take it easy, okay? Sorry. Hey, much. Jesus. Joku, I can't deny the fact that I said something about her. But because she... Joku, do I need to tell you that I had almost succeeded in deleting her from my memory? Just because of what Deborah said about her. I don't know what. I'm getting confused.
What is actually going on between you and Deborah? What's going on?
My brother, nothing, no. Nothing.
Nothing.
Did she say anything?
And she's busy telling everyone in the village that you are her fiancé.
Hey! Jesus.
Go ahead.
God, what is the meaning of all this? What have I done wrong? When did that one start now?
My dear, I wouldn't know the answer to that question. But the only thing I suggest you do, delete Ify from your memory. Please. That girl is a battle to your system. Oh.
Jeku, you're my friend. See, I can't deny the fact that I like Deborah. But I don't know why my spirit can't just accept her. Yes, I like her as a brother. At least she's a chorister in the choir. I am the choir master.
You are confused.
I am not.
You are really confused.
See, I think the best thing for me to do is just to leave this town. Leave this town and travel far away where nobody will see me. I think let me leave this community and concentrate for once. What's the meaning of all this now? Why would they be saying what I didn't say?
You are traveling. Who are you leaving your job as a prime master for?
I still can't understand what this competition is all about. What is happening?
Isn't it my daughter? Your father, Mbakwe, spoiled Ifeoma. Yes. Your father, Mbakwe, is the person that made Ifeoma to be #1 in everything that is happening in this family. Yes.
Mama, it is not fair. Why is he doing that to me? Am I not his daughter?
Who said so? Are you not the person helping me out here? Do you know that Ifeoma will only come here when she knows that she needs something from me and maybe Mbakwe is not around to give her the money?
But Mama, you shouldn't have allowed Papa to...
Don't even go there, you know your father. You know he's the stubborn type. He will not listen to me. I tried all my possible best to make him know that Ifeoma is the younger one and you are the elder sister. But you know your father.
Mama, I will stand Papa's attitude. But Ifeoma's antagonism is something I cannot take. I cannot take it. She is my younger sister. I don't even have the patience to enjoy it. Mama, I don't. Stop it.
Ifeoma is your younger sister.
And so?
So please, I don't want you to feel bad. I know that one day, Ifeoma will realize this is Father Mbakwe. It's not doing him good. One fateful day, she will realize.
Are you serious? As I'm talking to you now in this village, all the girls are singing your name as a song. Shaggy this, Shaggy that, Shaggy this, Shaggy that.
Well, brother, you know what? It's not my fault, just my effort, you know? I stay on point, that's what it is. Yeah. But so tell me, my nigga, where them boys, yeah? Where the guys? Where they at?
Okay, Ekwe will soon be here.
Are you sure?
Ekwe will soon be here. As a matter of fact, I saw him before I came to this place.
Because, nigga, I have a whole lot to spend, man. I came back with a whole lot of dollars. Well, let me spend money for you all, man. Nigga, chop my money, man.
Dollars. Don't worry, soon be here.
You broke asses. I don't know how you guys became out.
Yes. Okay, I told you, he's already here. Ekwe. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I greet you.
I'm fine. Shaggy, this is my friend.
Oh,
this is Shaggy. Is my
yeah.
And this is sister. Ify.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Man, nigga, your sister is beautiful.
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. If you talk, this is the guy from America.
Wait, let me ask you a question. All this, are they all yours or you borrowed some? That's real?
No, Hanya, she know where I'm. Show him now.
Like it's real. Turn around.
Are you serious? Damn. Ring she know where I'm.
But you know what? Let me start from this, baby. Bring that ass here. Let Shaggy do some justice. Wow. Yeah. So let me see what you got in front, man. Oh, Shaggy's got a whole lot to spend.
Shaggy front.
Yeah, don't worry. Hey. My nigga, don't rush that money. There's a whole lot where that came from. Yeah, so just be normal, alright? So just tell me any bar of your choice. Let me go spoil your village something. Like, let me go Mama Ebuka. Mama Ebuka is okay. Mama Ebuka is on point. Yeah. My nigga, let me do you a favor, huh? I want you to take this so that you can stop touching your sister. Step aside. Let me roll with her. Yeah. So, clear the road, we're right behind you.
No, we're not doing it.
Look out back, yeah. Boo boo.
Shaggy, my man.
Let me see you roll. And don't roll like a village nigga, you're rolling with an American nigga. Roll, let me see. Ify. Bounce. If you see my hand. Bounce. Shaggy. I'm on point, it's Shaggy.
Shaggy, my man.
Roll behind me. If you shake this, roll behind me.
Shaggy.
What's up there? Is it by you?
If Shaggy eventually marries your sister, you owe me big time.
No. You trust me now.
No be you know me matter. No be you know me, you don't dey talk, you know me. This one now, You know what? Immediately Shaggy saw your sister, he fell in love. Hey! And that makes it, if Shaggy marries your sister, she's in money, yo. You don't know, my guy. And as she did money, you too, you're in money.
It's money. Money. Thank you very much. But guy, that one even interests me. I don't remember the last time when I taste pepper soup like that. You need to see those fish. That guy, they declare. Oh, guy, God don't do it for me.
My guy. I know. He also gave you some choncho. You know that to fill your pocket. Oh boy.
But I hope your mind will be there because I see when they give it to you.
My guy, don't go there. You go please share. I get share for life.
Wait. You mean it was never a gang up?
Gang up? How can I gang up against her? It was just the two of us fighting, and God knows I fought her in self-defense.
But did you tell Ife that the brother was responsible for what the white man did to her?
Yes, I did.
Oh, come on. Ego, that was so unfair of you. Ego, that was so unfair of you to tell lies against her.
Why would you say that? Kwaya master, you think I'm lying? See, let me tell you. Deborah said she will do whatever it takes to make sure that if he does not marry that white man.
Really? She said all that?
And the one that even got me upset. The one she said that she would take either I or Rosa to the white man to get married to. And I was very upset because I asked her if she was calling us cheap prostitutes.
Jesus. So she knew the white man and had dealings with him.
Let me tell you something. Deborah told me that she controls the white man. Machi.
I'm confused. I don't even know what to believe in. What's the meaning of all of this? What is happening in this community?
Hey! I'm happy, Koika.
Oh, God. Shaggy. Boy.
People you could hear.
Imanashi, you won't give me
People you could hear, man.
Let angels trust. Ify, let him give it. God, what happened to you? Your what? Talk now.
Please, can I stay here? Small. I don't want to go to my house now. I don't want my father to see me like this.
You still have not answered my question. I said, why are you like this? You're so dirty. What happened? Okay, let's go inside. Why are you like this? You're so dirty. What happened? Eh?
You cannot tell me that all of you know where she is. It's impossible.
Show me
I have to listen to house and nobody knows. Where is she?
If I give you my designer,
why are you shouting at me?
If I give
you get informal wings to fly, and she goes out anytime she likes and comes back anytime she likes.
That is not the point. The point here now is that Informa is not here, and 1, 2, 3 are telling me they don't know her whereabouts, which is impossible.
Papa, as for me, I don't know.
Papa, she didn't tell me where she was going. She didn't say anything to me.
Good. And probably you don't know.
Bring me the phone. Oh, bring me the phone here, Ellen.
Okay.
Bring me the phone.
Time prevents a father tears. The elegant better, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your gold.
You're talking with my daughter's on the phone and asking me.
Everything white and black.
Useless girl.
Show me your
Get to your house to fight over you. Look,
show me
your not give her this phone. I will so deal with you that when I finish with you, you know what Mbakwe can do.
If I give you my designers, how you could designer? Mr. Designer, what is a designer? Tell don't make mistake, you can call them sky.
Okorocha. Hey! Omegula. Ifoma has finished. Okorocha. Ifoma has debased me. This is embarrassment to the highest level. Hello.
What are you doing here? Onini, what do you mean? Why are you asking me that question? What I'm doing here?
Yeah, please, come, please. Come.
What is wrong with you?
Wait now.
What kind of question is that? Am I not supposed to come to my presence again?
What? Biffy. Ifoma.
Burako.
Ifoma.
Burako. Hey!
Have you seen what it cost?
Cost what? Burako. Is it because of that liquor you're asking me what I'm doing in your house?
My friend, go home.
Go with home. I'm not going anywhere.
Go home.
Burako.
One man the poison is another man food.
What are you talking about? I came to your house and met a girl that you told me that you're not sleeping with. She didn't even come out from inside your house. She didn't even come out from outside your house. She came out from inside your house. And you say you're not having anything to do with her.
Deborah, listen. Don't try to turn this around. I know what you're driving at. I know what you're driving at.
I am not turning anything around. That girl hates me with every drop of her blood. She came here to lie to you that I fought her over a man. She only said that so that you and I can fight and kill each other. That's why she said that.
Listen to me.
And you believe that?
Listen to me. You are the one lying here. Deborah, you are the one lying here. I know very well that both of you fought in a man's house. You think I don't know? You're here telling me cock and bull story. Don't even think about it. You think I don't know?
Murako, yes, I know I lie sometimes. But this time around, I did not lie anything. I did not lie. See, that girl, why you having regard for someone that don't even regard you? And leave me, Deborah, that lost you with every drop of my blood. That girl, she's a bloody liar. She lies every time. She lies today, she lies tomorrow. She even lied to me yesterday that you even beat somebody. She lied to me today that you even beat somebody.
Stop! What's the meaning of all this? Why are you shouting? What are you even saying? Which one am I to believe now?
You have to stop believing that girl, she's just a liar. She lies, her generation lies, her third generation lies, everybody in her house lies. She lies because she hates me.
Channel Yogo. Okay, health center. Which of the health centers? Okoro. You know how busy? Okoro. Where are you coming from?
Papa, I know.
Where are you coming from?
Papa, we do that drama, Papa, at Rosa's house. When I finished, Papa, I didn't know that time was going on. I now slept off and wake up to come back house.
So you slept and then woke up to come back?
Yes, Papa.
Can I see your phone?
Hey! Papa, it's like I left it at Rosa's toilet, Papa. You use
it at toilet roll of.
Informer.
I want to know is what your phone was doing in Okorocha's house. Why you gave your phone to Okorocha, of all people?
Papa, I did not give Okorocha my phone. I did not even see Okorocha. Maybe my phone fall down, then Okorocha pick her now.
My daughter, yes, you're my favorite, yes. But at times, I begin to think that you have your brains between your thighs. And at times you don't reason. You know what the level where I placed Okorocha in this community. You know the competition we have been doing together. You know how I try to reduce him. That it doesn't matter. And yet, Okorocha for people. Place yourself in my position. How am I going to stand and then absorb his mockery? How can I stand in his place and tell him he's a quack when my daughter is quackery itself? How am I going to face Okorocha and then the community? Look at my pride, you have just leveled it on the floor. You have finished me, my daughter. You have reduced me to the lowest ebb. Okorocha. For what?
You're not the one that said I should follow the boy. You must find my phone. But what is it? Where do you think you're going to? You're not going anywhere. Wait.
Listen. Don't get out of my way now. I'll slap your head up your shoulder.
Slap my shoulder, slap my face.
What is even your problem? When I introduced you to that idiot, did I ask you to go to his house? Did he drag you to his house?
You say I should plan my card well. I should play and well.
I
play well now.
Will you shut up your mouth? Play on well. Does it mean you just go there and try and open everything for him? What's the meaning of that rubbish?
You look for my phone.
Mister, I'll slap you. Better leave.
Why didn't you teach me how to play my card well? Why didn't you teach me?
My friend, look at
Why me check? No. Why you're bro?
Station time prevents authority. My brother, check your time.
Why you want to come out on me like that?
According to your side.
Who is the governor? Why did they be like man?
Now you know it because you be man. The only man who came and push me the way you push me now. Don't try that rubbish again.
I beg you. You two have been going on at each other for a while now. What is happening? What is it that you two know that nobody else knows in this house? Ify, what is the problem? Nothing.
I hope that guy did not hit it.
What is going on? What is it?
See?
What is going on? What's the problem?
Nothing.
I don't like sometimes the kind of thing you do. You're supposed to, as a gentleman, at least if the girl is coming after you, you wait for the person. You will hold hands together. People will see us. Are you not happy with me? See me at Deborah. I'm supposed to, at least whenever I'm coming to you like this, you'll be happy. You know the way we do it now. Muraco, what's going Public. I'm going to find about public. Ha! It's not good now. Why are you staying public when two of us are together? You're not supposed to be staying public, please. If you don't like me coming to you, you just tell me and I will stay on my own. And I know that you are just playing, Sha. You're just playing. So, are you going to cook or do you want me to cook for you? What do you want me to cook for you? If you want me to cook obono soup, egusi soup, all of them. Ichokwa can pound oragi appo. Kenki icho.
Kenki icho. I'm not in the mood to talk now. I'm not in the mood to talk now. Please, understand me now.
Muraco, I don't like this kind of thing you do. I don't like it. If you don't want me to come close, you should just tell me so that I will stop coming close and I will stay on my own. I don't like it. I don't like this kind of thing you do. Every time you're supposed to be happy than me, I'm with you. Don't you know that all those girls, they are jealous. They're jealous of us.
Is it too much for me to ask not to be disturbed?
Are you working out on me? I'm Muraco, you're working out on me. It's not good though. Tomorrow night you come back. You know it's me, Deborah. Come back. Mom, I know you come. I know you are just playing. See this your smiley face. Just come. Don't mind them. They are just jealous. Nadia. Hey, Motenka, someone come. Momoro. Obi ama pakashala ma. Hey, you get makakwan. Muraco, okay, you're going, eh? Go now, go. Don't worry, tomorrow you come to my house. I don't want to see my house again. No, just go your house. Go to your place. Tomorrow you come in Deborah now. You're walking out on me. See, Morocco, you're supposed to be happy here with me. I'm Mazo. Can you hear the hand? Because oh, yeah, can you hear Bugisi? Can you Bugisi? This is a Bugisi because I'm not so you have big head.
Agu, how are you?
I am fine.
Where are you going?
Why would the man be walking and be talking to himself? If I say, he shall go.
Agu, when will you change this your lifestyle and start coming to church? So that God will touch you.
Well, Master, did I hear you say church? Okay, see, when I will start coming to church is when me, Agu, don't say, Ona, when they go church, don't know the reason why Ona take they go church. Then Agu cannot start coming to church. But that's by the way. When a man is walking and be talking to himself, you know where I supposed to? And what they call him? Psychia! Even they call it no.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Okay, let me make you understand. See, you were almost running mad. Like, you understand? But I don't know where you are going, but take good care of yourself. Yeah? Before you go now.
After abusing me, still want me to keep you?
No, it's out. One only out.
Good na designer, everything designer. Your daughter na designer, your son na designer, your machine na designer, everything design. Your trouble na designer.
Good afternoon.
Why, Master? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. How is work?
We thank God. We thank God.
The Lord is good.
Yes. Hey, so what can I do for you?
I came to see if
Talk. No, forget about what happened in the past. Have the courage and say what you want to say.
Please, is he here around?
Yes, he's around. You know, I have always known that you have this attachment to my daughter. But you see, when you were trying to explain to me the other time, I was so angry. I was blinded by anger, and my auditor was just Tibuosobu.
But I was saying all that there, but you refused to understand what I was saying.
Ignorance. I understand.
Oh, glory be to God for the understanding.
Yeah, Ifama.
God is really at work.
Ifama. Do you know, if I had known, I would have understood you well. By now, you and Ifama would have been talking about issues.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you, sir.
You have a visitor.
Please, excuse us, sir.
What excuse?
How are you? How are
Hi.
you today? I can't believe that your father is really in support of us now.
Mbakwe, Master, see. The only reason I came to your house that time is because people were laughing at me. And I came to hide in your house, not because I love you.
No, wait. You know I don't like it when you talk like this. Your father is really in support of us. Behold, all things has passed away. See, I've tried in every way possible to make you understand that I love you.
My father
just
is in support of you.
Yes. Just say yes to my request and I will make you my wife today.
I am saying no. Oya, Master, leave.
If you stop this.
I'm going now. If my father is in support of it, then marry my father.
How can you say that? That's 14 years imprisonment.
I don't want to marry you. Start going. Leave.
If you
go now.
Please, at least hear me out. I love you.
I hope all is well.
No, Papa. He wants to leave.
So soon?
Yes, Papa.
So soon?
If you make my father to shout at me, I will not marry you. It's better for you to smile as you're going. Just smile so that he will not know anything.
Well, Master.
Sir.
Why would you leave so soon?
Oh, sir, I have to be on my way now.
Okay. It's all right. I hope you discussed well.
Oh, the Lord is good.
Oh, very, very
Let God be the judge of that.
Okay.
Maybe I have to be on my way now.
Okay.
Yes. All right, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right, take care of yourself, right?
Okay.
It's all right.
Sir.
You see? It is good to be happily married, not just getting married.
Yes, Papa.
When you're happy, forget about the amount of money.
Yes.
Come. What did you just say?
See, the reason why I'm telling you this is because if he's like a young girl like me, so me, I want the best for her. That's why I even said I should tell you. If not, I wouldn't have told you.
No wonder. I should have known that. Okorocha had been trying to get at me. Now he's trying to use Ife, my daughter. Then why did Ife swear to me that she has nothing to do with Okorocha, but Okorocha's son?
Is she Okorocha? Hey, this is the first time I'm hearing that name. I have never heard that name in my entire life. The man I am telling you is one very, very old man. Obioma Telo. Only Obioma, that old man. That's the one me I know.
Deborah, how long have you known this?
Then Mbakwe, you know, when Ife stopped coming for choir practice, even the dance rehearsal, I know how that kind of thing is. So I started putting two aside. And me, I know that the fact that she stopped coming, maybe...
Were you one of those who were laughing at my daughter when she came for the last rehearsal? She told me.
Wasn't the only one that laughed at her, oh?
We were laughing at her because the man that was supposed to marry her disappointed.
No!
Was it not?
I wasn't the only one that laughed at her. Everybody there laughed at her, so me, I laughed with them.
So why were you laughing? Because the man that was supposed to marry her disappointed.
No! Hey! The only reason why we were laughing at her because she was sleeping with that old man. I even laughed last. I was even kicking them out. They should stop laughing. I asked the people that came for choir practice. They will tell you.
Are you sure of what to say?
Then Mbakwe, anything I tell you is what you should believe me. Me, I cannot lie to you. I know what to tell you and I know exactly what you should believe. See, everybody will come and be telling you this one is what happened. Anything I tell you, you know what will happen. Just come through my back door. You will come and hear the more. Anything you want me to tell you, I'll be telling you.
Anybody up in here, man? Yeah, Jumbo, I'm up in the quick, y'all. What's happening, nigga? What's going on, man?
Jumbo, what have you come to do here? Man, what do you want? What do you want?
Man, I came to see Shaggy, my boy, man. Can I come to my brother's house, man? What's wrong with you?
Who is Shaggy?
That's your son. Shaggy, man.
Son is a kid, not Shaggy.
Calm down, brother. Take it easy, man. Calm down. You see, like our father, man, you are forever busy with your work. You never paid no attention to that young man. That dude got talent, man. I'm telling you. My nephew got talent. But you were never there for him.
Jumbo, I agree with you. Our father was never there for us. But that didn't make me to turn out the way you are now. Not the way my son has turned out. I was able to take care of myself. Huh?
But you see, our mother was always there for us. And you drove away his mother, a good woman. Now, as the uncle, I'm trying to change the game of his life. I'm trying to give him a direction. All you think is I'm, influencing him in a bad way. That's not true, man. I'm trying to help my nephew, man.
Get out of my house.
Just like that?
Get away from me.
You need to change your life. Change the game of your life. Or somebody will cut you with a knife. Do you need five alive? All right, use this and change your life. So.
Sweetheart. I swear this is delicious. You know what, baby? I can't wait to marry you so that you keep preparing things like this for me.
And I can't wait to start feeding you the quality meals my mother tells me how to.
Are you serious? And then your wedding day comes soon.
My son.
Yes, Mama.
Where do you say you came back from?
Oh, Mom. America, Mama.
You said it when I was inside, and I came out to hear what I had was true. Where did you live in America?
Mama, it's not like you know anywhere in America. You've never been in America before. Well, I'll tell you because you're my mother-in-law to be. I came from Brooklyn. You know where the motherfucker...
Brooklyn?
Yeah, Brooklyn. That's where the likes of PDD...
Shut up!
Yeah, that's what Nicki Minaj did. Nicki Minaj.
Keep quiet. Stop eating my food. How is it getting?
Hello?
I say keep quiet. Stop eating my food. You came back from America.
Of course, America,
right?
yeah.
Let me go inside. Let me go inside and come back. You came back from America.
Of course.
That is America.
Yes, America.
America.
Yeah.
Let me go inside.
Baby, what's up with your mom, yeah? She know how I stay in America. Oh, you love me, right? Oh, I shouldn't mind her. Jesus Sorry.
Lie down on the floor. Lie down straight. Where is your wallet? Bring out the wallet. Where is your wallet? Fast. Bring out that wallet.
Maybe take some dollars and give it to Mama, yeah?
Keep quiet. Any more from you, I hit this thing on you.
Sorry.
Be fast.
Ma, there is no money inside.
There is no guinea. Money. No money.
Keep
quiet.
No, she didn't check the inside. Maybe check.
What? Keep quiet.
Shaggy, why now?
Shaggy guinea. Oh yeah, you have seen it now. America. Oh yeah, remove your cap. Remove it now. On the ground.
On the floor?
Yes, on the ground. When I told you that this boy you brought here is a criminal, you wouldn't listen. Now you have seen it. Fast.
Okay.
Remove it fast before I hit this one. Keep it on the floor.
On the floor?
Yes, on the ground. Don't worry.
This is some
Don't
good.
worry.
This is good.
Remove your necklace. Before I hit this on you.
Sorry.
That is the money we are talking about.
Baby, I got some dollars at home.
Get quiet.
Sorry. Hey.
Remove your shoe. Fast.
Mommy, this can buy the food.
Remove your shoe.
My shoes? Jesus Christ.
Remove it. I'll say so. Keep quiet.
Sorry.
Keep quiet.
Stay
out of this.
Baby, talk to Mama for me. Talk to Mama.
Look. Oh yeah, get to the backyard and get me rope. I'll see so.
Bro, hey. Mommy, I'm money over there.
You want?
You want to see your sins?
Be fast.
If I'm a come here. If I'm a
Papa, what did I do to you now? Why are you beating me, Papa?
You're an idiot. Ask me such a question.
What is it, Papa? What has she done?
Ask this the beggar of a sister.